Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the final prototype of the world's first foldable phone, which was showcased in CES in Las Vegas earlier this year. A lot has changed since then, especially on the software side. If you have seen the earlier video reviews of this phone, you will know about some of the bugs that were highlighted. All of these bugs have been removed and the software is much better now. So far, this phone is being sold only in China, but Royole, the company behind this phone, is planning to launch it in the international market by the middle of October this year, provided they get the GSM approval by then. The chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8150 octa-core with a clock speed of 2.8 GHz. This phone comes with Water OS, which is Royole's own proprietary skin or layer on top of Android version 9.0. It has 3800 milliamp battery which can be charged through USB-C port. There are two versions of this phone. One is with 6 GB RAM and another version is with 8 GB RAM, and the internal memory is 128 GB, 256 or 512 GB, and external memory supported up to 256 GB. Talking about sensors, it has all essential ones such as fingerprint sensor, ambient light, proximity, accelerometer, multi-axis gyro, etc. The weight is bit on a higher side for a phone at 320 grams, but it is certainly lower than any 7.8 or 8-inch tablet. I would say the specs are really impressive for first generation of truly foldable phone. This phone which I am holding is sold in China and it has none of the Google products such as Gmail, YouTube, Search or Play Store. However, the international version will certainly come with all of this. As you can see, the interface is quite smooth and fluid, and when you fold the phone, the display will adjust to the screen size facing you. And if you turn it over, the display will adjust accordingly. The hinge was specially designed keeping in mind the limitations of the degree to which you can fold the flexible film. It's an AMOLED screen with FHD display which is bright and is quite nice to look at if you are indoors. I did not get an opportunity to see it directly under the sunlight, so can't comment on how good it is when you use it outdoors. The volume up and down, power on and fingerprint scanner are all on the right hand side. The company claims the FlexPai film and the hinge can pass 200,000 fold test. Now assuming you fold the phone 50 times in a day, it should still last you for 4,000 days or 10 solid years. When you fold the phone, the magnets on both sides snap into each other with a loud noise, which is kind of irritating. However, it is quite compact and easy to handle with one hand. Watching the video in full screen is awesome, and the two speakers are loud enough to give you that cinematic experience. Overall, I would say that Royole has made a decent foldable phone which is quite usable. However, there is still scope for improvement. Maybe the second version will be more refined. The basic model of this phone is being sold at equivalent of US dollars 1,270 in China. Do you guys think it is worth it, and will it compete with Galaxy Fold? Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe.